y'all, welcome back to the channel. We are going to make something really quick and fast today. It's called Pepperjack chicken casserole. So you need to preheat your oven to 350. Go ahead, and I'm going to double this recipe, by the way, so you won't need to use as much as I do. All the measurements for just the regular recipe would be down below. So spray your baking dish, put in your chicken breast. You're going to cover them with Pepperjack slices. If you don't like Pepperjack, you can use Swiss cheese. Take your cream of chicken soup and mix it with milk. Like I said, all the measurements will be down below. Here you go. Let me show you. Cream of chicken with a little bit of milk. This on top. Spread it out. You're going to top it. It's ready. With stove top. Use the chicken flavor if you can. So the stovetop stuffing mix, and I'm gonna have to use 2 of these because I doubled this. All right, we're gonna drizzle with butter. We're gonna put this in the oven 45 to 60 minutes, and then you'll have dinner. Alright, I'll see you back here in a little while. Okay, y'all, so it came out of the oven just fine. I got a little bit more brown than I wanted, but that's okay because I had tons and tons and tons of this stovetop stuffing on top. Probably what we'll do is right before we serve, we'll stir it into the sauce and serve it, and then the chicken breasts are just under that. Okay, so you pick the breast up and you'll see that there's like a gravy underneath, and then we can mix this together, and then that'll be it. It'll be chicken and dressing, kinda. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all next time.